What's up, science nerds? So this demonstration is to show a little proof that you and me and everything around us are actually made up of atoms, which are themselves made out of electrically charged particles. So let me show you what's going on. I have a piece of glass that's rounded. It's called a watch glass because it resembles, the glass covering a watch. I have a meter stick that's balanced on the watch glass. So you see that it is kind of able to swing around, right? So what I'm going to do is take this balloon, and probably going to look stupid on the train, but I don't care. I'm going to rub it on my hair, get some static electric charge buildup. So what's happening is the balloon, the rubber, is pulling electrons off of the atoms that make up my hair. So now the balloon has a negative charge. Alright, ready? Watch what happens when I bring the negatively charged balloon near the meter stick. See what's happening? Anybody who's got long hair and has combed it in the wintertime has seen this happen. Let me swing it the other way. Come here. I need more electric charge? Okay. I'll just look stupid on the train. Oh, I think it tilted a little bit too far that way. It's touching. It's getting some friction from the table. Got to make sure it's balanced. Okay. Let's try it again. There we go. So, this ruler, the table, the air, the earth, the sun, you, everything is actually composed of tiny little positive and negatively charged particles. And the reason why this ruler, or meter stick I should say, was moving around just now is the same reason why magnets can either attract or repel. Because electricity and magnetism are actually the same force of nature. Remember how we said that magnets, when they have the opposite sides, they attract? Well, opposite electric charges attract. So positive and negative attract. Just like that. And similar to magnets, where the same side repels, right? North to north, south to south. Well, the same thing applies for electricity. Negative and negative repel, and positive repel. The reason why the balloon was attracting the meter stick is because the balloon, I rubbed it on my hair, got a bunch of negative electrons on the balloon, and compared to the ruler, this is negative. So if something's negative, something else compared to that is more positive. So compared to this negatively charged balloon, well, not that I touched it now, took the electrons off, but the balloon was more negatively charged, the meter stick is more positively charged, and they attract towards each other. There you go. So just like magnetism, electric charges, opposites attract, likes repel. And later on we'll study, there actually is no difference between electricity and magnetism. They're actually the same exact thing. Magnetism and electricity are the same force of nature.